Oh my gosh, Mommy. Mommy is so glamorous.
Hi guys, we're gonna put Cutie Fruities.
Rip it, rip it.
Uh-oh.
What is that? Cool.
Napkin.
Oh, it's like a picnic.
Mom, it also comes with these.
It's like a picnic. All right, let's open everything up. Oops, we gotta get that, bud.
Ooh, yeah, I know. Mom, are you opening it?
I am gonna open it.
Fun. Look at this. There's a rainbow.
There's a rainbow in there?
Banana! Wow.
What's in there?
Banana.
It's a banana. Oh, they're so cute. No way.
This is fun.
Oh, let me see them all. Let's put them on the napkin. Oh my gosh, these are the cutest things ever. So wait a second. Daddy, baby,
No, that's Mom.
kitty, kitty. Oh my gosh, Mommy. Mommy is so glamorous.
Mommy?
Mommy is gold and fabulous.
I know.
I love Mommy. You opening the next one?
Mom, that is you.
I know, Mommy's golden and fabulous. That's exactly right. Okay, you're doing the next one. And it comes in a banana. That's super cute. All right, so let me see that one now. Here, I got this plastic.
No, the surprise was a banana.
I got some of that plastic open. There you go. I'm gonna work on this one when you get that one open.
Let's see what you do. I'm excited.
I'm excited too. Well, what is it?
Boom! Boom!
Boom! Oh, you got a blind pack. So this is, he is so cute. This is Mr. Melon. We got Mr. Melon and Lucky Orange. Super cute. Actually, we have the picnic list. So we have orange. Oh, I don't see melon here. Oh, here we go. Melon
Mommy,
and the banana family. Who's this?
I don't know, but
This is papaya or Papa A papaya.
there's even stickers.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Papaya. Why don't I see papaya? Is there a second
there's
side?
stickers.
Okay, maybe he's like special. He's so special. He's not even on this. He was in the blind item.
Yeah.
So maybe he's like super special. He's not even on this. Am I missing it? Hold on, let me go really slow. Papaya. Maybe he's Peter. I don't know. I'm gonna write papaya in. He was like papaya. Okay, we even have some stickers. Awesome. So far, this is my favorite. I love the family. Can we get this one open, bud? No?
Ooh.
Almost? You want me to try to help you?
Ooh. Rainbow melon. We have so much cool stuff.
We do. Here, open that up. Let's see. Who's inside?
Please be something good.
Here, let's see.
Ah!
What's that?
Oh!
What's this? This looks like twins.
That's a cherry.
Oh, they're cherries. Oh my gosh. Cherry.
What can smell so good?
They smell?
Yeah.
No way. They smell.
Oh, there's something. This
Get
smells
out
good.
of here. These things smell. Well, the
Ooh.
cherries smell.
Wait, this is
The cherries totally smell. Hold on a second. Am I making this up?
No.
No, the cherries smell. Okay, so we got cherry. What did you get out? Wait. Papaya A.
So I got this out.
Oh, here we go. We got a new one here. Who's this? Ollie.
Ow.
We got Ollie. Is Ollie not on the list too? Wait, the people with the names are not on the list. So this might be, this is not an all-inclusive list.
Wait, please be good, please be good.
Who's that? Prissy. Does she smell?
Smell it.
Oh, she smells too. You know what? I bet you this is the real list because that was the list that the PR person sent me, like as a fun thing. But
Mom,
this is
I'm
the
gonna
real
open
list.
more.
You know what? This is all we have, buddy. This is the real list, guys.
It smells.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's look at
Mom,
all the
smell
ones.
this.
Smell.
Smell the cookie.
That's delicious. Oh my gosh, they all smell. Okay, so here we go. This is the real list. Mr. Melon. Mrs. Melon. Grumpy Grape. Prissy Grape. Mary Mango. Cherry Cat. There are so many to get. Oh my goodness.
The gold smells like nothing.
Oh, they are so fun. I'm obsessed. Wait till Natalie comes home and sees these. So they're good for 3 and up. Ooh, find the chocolatey covered and glittery fruit. So we didn't get any glittery fruit, although the banana is pretty fabulous. We did find a fun one. So the limited edition chocolatey covered ones are caramel apple, sprinkle
Wait, Mom, the
pine.
banana's a person too. Look.
She smells? Oh, she's a top banana. Oh, so she's also a person. Chocolatier. Oh, sorry. Choco pear, Choco Anna, Choco Lover, Sprinkle Pine, and Caramel Apple. Those are the ones you're looking for. Are these so fun?
Yeah.
All right, where's the basket? Let's put them all in the basket, honey. Let's see how many we could fit in the basket.
We could fit like probably the whole thing.
You think so?
Yeah, look. Let's see.
Let's see. Let's put all our little fruitsies in the basket. Oh yeah, they do fit. So this is our collection.
Mom, let's put them all here.
Or we could put them in the basket. You're right. They have their own basket.
Let's put it in the yucky thing.
This is a picnic basket. It's not yucky.
Banana. No, the banana goes in
Oh,
here.
only the banana peel?
Yeah,
Okay.
'cause the banana is big.
The banana is big. It needs its own home. I love this. Really fun. I love the cute idea of the picnic napkin so you could lay your little fruit out and they can have some conversations of their own.
Look what you could
love
do.
this. Collectibles are a really good idea for kids.
Mommy, look!
What? Oh, those are all the things you can get?
Yes.
Great. We're going to start collecting, okay, bud?
Mommy, look what you could do.
Do you like these?
Yeah.
All right,
I
guys.
want to eat all them.
You want to eat them? Cutie Fruities.
Nom, 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 nom.
Till next time. Bye.
Bye.